Hey, this is Emily from Baytown Nissan. So how familiar are you with the 2022 Nissan Murano? Well, this vehicle has four trim levels: S, SV, SL, and lastly Platinum. Front wheel drive is a default setup, but all wheel drive is also available. It's a 260 horsepower and it's a 3.5 liter V6. This vehicle has a 5-star crash rating. The fuel economy is 20 around town and 28 in the highway, 23 combined. This beautiful vehicle has a 3-year, 36,000 miles basics or 5-year 60,000 miles powertrain. What I like about this vehicle is that it's very convenient and beautiful.